Welcome back. This time we are going to create a customer return ticket, which the customer is going to return it to Backtrack. Backtrack's going to repair it and then ship it back to the customer. So this is a repair service for your customers. If they have a problem with the product, they can send it in to us and we can repair it for them. So you create a new ticket. And in this example, we're going to call this, our short code is C2BT, and then we call it -2C. So in this case, it's a customer to Backtrack and then back to the customer after repair. And we're going to use the demo, our model number, which is the demo 1. In this case, we'll just call it XX again, or let's call it XY just to be a little bit different than the last one. Now, the way we do this is you create the ticket before you give the shipping address to your customer, okay? And you're creating the ticket and you're going to then enter the following information. And since I called it XY this time, I'm going to call it XY. You want to create the unit, the problem that the customer's telling you, and it can be longer and more detailed than this. The screen will not turn on, so please include a lot of detail. And then the solution you want us to do it. Repair and return to the customer, and then the customer's address. So in this case, then we have everything we need. You create that ticket, and you've got a new ticket number, which you can see here is 9454. You then will go over to the customer. You'll give that customer this return shipping address in this example, which is our address, but our customer number in my demo is 100. Your customer number will be different. And then the ticket number 9454. That is the RMA number. That is the number that we will use to reference this ticket, so we know when we get this box, it goes to ticket 9454. And very important, when the customer is shipping us an electronic item to test and repair, we also need the power cable or the power assembly wire, because it's possible that they're sending us a model that we don't have parts for, and so we're going to need that power cable. So I just want to remind you right now that if it's an electronic item, they need to send us the item and the power cable at a minimum. Other accessories sometimes are required as well if they're not working or they need to be part of the testing. Power wire, don't forget it. At that moment, once we receive it, we will then go through the entire process of receiving, testing, inspecting. We repair it if we can, of course. We will I'll put a lot of notes on there on what we discovered and the repair work that we've done. You'll see photos of that, possibly a video. Then once it's prepared, we will then ship it back to the customer. All of the charges will then be attached to the shipping, the repair fees, but also the shipping fees, so that the actual shipping cost will then be attached to this ticket and then invoiced to you. So we do invoice you as the client for that process. There you go. So that is as easy as it gets to creating a ticket, which we call C2BT-2C. So that's the short code. Just helps us know what these tickets are about quickly. There you go. Thank you very much.